Hi family, welcome to Wealth Daily. If you're ready to take control of your finances and start building wealth, you're in the right place. I'm sharing 5 simple ways you can begin your journey to financial freedom today, even if you're starting with little or no experience. So let's get to it. First up, we have budgeting. It might not sound exciting, but budgeting is the foundation of good financial habits. If you don't know where your money's going, it's hard to save or invest. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Use tools like budgeting apps or even a good old spreadsheet. Aim to save at least 20% of your income every month. That 20% is the key to building your wealth over time. Next, make sure you have an emergency fund. Life happens, and unexpected expenses can derail your financial progress if you're not prepared. Start by saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This gives you the peace of mind to handle emergencies without going into debt, and it sets you up to focus on your wealth-building goals without worrying about the what-ifs. Tip number 3, invest early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. You don't need a huge amount to start. Begin with small, regular investments in things like stocks and bonds. These are low-risk, diversified investments that can provide solid returns over time. Remember, time in the market beats trying to time the market. Now let's talk about increasing your income. If you're relying on just one source of income, consider ways to diversify. Whether it's starting a side hustle, freelancing, or finding passive income opportunities, having multiple income streams can accelerate your path to wealth. Plus, it's great for financial security. Last but definitely not the least, compound interest. The power of compound interest is often referred to as the 8th wonder of the world. It's the idea that your money earns interest, and then that interest starts earning interest on itself. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more your money will work for you. Even small contributions can turn into huge sums over time. So, there you have it. 5 simple ways to start building wealth today. Remember, the key is to start now and stay consistent. It doesn't matter if you're just beginning, the important thing is that you take action. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. And of course, I'd love to hear from you. What's your first step to building wealth? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth building is a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.